drove down to Fullerton, California, and I thought I'd take a quick stop at Leo Fender's G&L Guitar Factory. I didn't get to go inside, but look at all these wood scraps from the guitars they made. Then I paid a visit to Ronin Autowerks. My buddy Matt Rose specializes in BMWs, but he works on all kinds of cool stuff. Here's his blue B sedan 2002 under wraps. This is a Nissan Patrol. It's their version of the Land Rover. Matt was swapping out the engine and the gearbox. This green car is a Lola Sports 2000. These are purpose-built race cars, totally adjustable, super lightweight, and they're really quick. These sticky tires were doing a good job. Everywhere I looked was an awesome project. It was like being in a candy store. Lots of vintage racing prepared 2002s. This is Matt's personal project. It's a VW Transporter pickup. But my personal favorite vehicle here only has two wheels. It's a freshly painted Honda Trail 70. I always wanted one of these when I was a teenager. It's such an awesome restoration. Thanks for the tour, Matt. It's the disappearing 10mm wrench.
Do you or does someone you know have a broken robot?
1-800-ROBOT.
Is your sidekick on the fritz?
1-800-ROBOT.
We are here to help. Call 1-800-ROBOT. Call now. Operators are standing by.
1-800-ROBOT.
I have invented this transmitter so I can play a joke on Steve. When I move this lever, it makes the rear window go up or down. Down. Up. He has no idea that I'm doing this. Okay, let's give it a try.
That window control is just going crazy.
Up, down, up, down. I am controlling Steve's window.
Doing it! It just did it!
Up, down, up, down.
So I'm driving along, I'm on the freeway right now, and so far this has happened 3 times. The back window that you can see behind me will roll itself down by itself. There it goes. There it goes. Going down.
This is hilarious. Up.
So it's not doing it when I'm parked.
I bet this will drive it crazy.
And I hope this window stays up, man.
You see, I designed this transmitter to control the rear window of Steve's car. I thought it was pretty clever how I cross-wired the window regulator with a transmitter from my frequency modulator. I bet Steve is glad he has a funny sidekick like me. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Ouch, it hurts. Uh-oh. Ouch. I think I blew out my processor. I've fallen, and I can't vertically inclinate myself.
Gee.
1-800 Robot.
Yeah, hello?
Can you hold, please?
Yeah, I'll hold.
Minute time. Nah,
Hello?
are you still there? Okay, I need you
Yeah,
to hold.
hello. Okay.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I need you to send me a Robot Temp.
Can you hold, please? You mean a Robot Temp?
Yes.
Alright, we'll send someone right out.
All right.
No.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
No. Thank you
All right,
for
thank you.
Thank you for calling.
Did someone call for a Robot Temp?
Come on in.
Let me get my stuff.
Hi, so you're the new robot, huh?
I am here to help.
What's your name?
I am Styrobot. Beep 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 beep.
Okay, hi, Styrobot.
What is my task designation?
It would help if you would sweep the floor.
Robots do not need sleep. But if I did, I would not sleep on this dirty floor.
No, I said sweep the floor.
3 plus 4. Beep 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 beep. 7.
No, I said sweep the floor.
Acknowledged. I will enter sleep mode until 4.
Let's try this again.
Bitty, bitty,
Let's try
bitty.
this again. Okay, no, I said sweep the floor.
Beep 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 beep. Does not compute.
Get the broom and sweep the
I
floor.
am here to help.
No, Styro. Sweep the floor with the broom.
Sheep at the door in the room. Beep 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 beep. I am here to help.
No, okay.
Beep 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 beep.
Styrobot, I need you to get the broom. I need you to sweep the floor with the broom.
Does not compute. Beep 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 beep. I have an idea.
What?
This garage is so dirty. Maybe you should sweep the floor with the broom. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. What is my task designation? Beep 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 beep. I am here to help. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep.
1-800 Robot.
How soon can you get Nigel back here?
Beep 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 beep.